day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing polynomials using long division. So let's have one example. So for example, we're going to divide x squared plus 10x plus 16 and x plus 2. So in order for us to divide it, let's identify first our dividend and divisor. So our dividend is x squared plus 10x plus 16. So that is our dividend. And our divisor is x plus 2. So this is our divisor. Okay? Now that we identified our dividend and divisor, let's prepare our long division. So let's draw this symbol. The polynomial that we will place inside is our dividend. So x squared plus 10x plus 16 should be placed inside the bar. And then the one outside will be our divisor. So let's place x plus 2 outside. Now let's start our division. In dividing, our focus will be the first term of each polynomial. So let's divide our first term by the first term. So x squared divided by x, that is equal to x. So let's place it here. So x. Then, after dividing the first term by the first term, their quotient must be multiplied to our divisor. So, we will apply the distributive property and multiply x to x. That will give us x squared. And x by positive 2. That will give us positive 2x. Then, after multiplying, let's subtract. And so, let's subtract. So, we will have x squared minus x squared is 0. 10x minus 2x, that will give us 8x. So, positive 8x. Then after, let's bring down positive 16. So, bring down positive 16. Then, let's repeat the same procedure. Okay? Let's divide our first term by our first term. So, 8x divided by x, that will give us positive 8. Then, let's multiply 8 to each term of our divisor. So, 8 times x, that is 8x. 8 times 2, that is 16. Positive 16. Then, let's subtract. So, let's subtract. Don't forget to place the parenthesis. So, 8x minus 8x is 0. 16 minus 16 is also 0. Therefore, the quotient of these two polynomials will be x plus 8. And that will be our final answer. Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.